Kuya Alo. Good morning, Kuya Alo. Good morning, Kuya Alo. Happy Thursday. Yummy cereal? No. I like your pajamas. Suot-suot niya yung bigay ni MJ. Thank you, babe.
Lamig yung tinig buttered toast.
Yeah? Picture eh. Breakfast tayo, guys. Mana buttered toast. Ang bilis lang maubos nito. Last time, bumili ako buttered toast. Isang pack lang din. Ngayon, 2 pack, pero maliliit naman. And Isla's waking up. Okay na to siya. Panaugan na to siya, Sarah. Sige daw. Si Arlo kasi bumaba lang mag-isa eh. Hold my hand. Huh? You made a mess? That's okay. Mommy will clean up later. Yes.
That's a mess.
Oh no.
No.
Dinosaur, you made a mess on dinosaur? That's okay. We'll clean up later. Yeah, finish your breakfast. We'll clean it up later. Okay? You like dinosaur? So cute.
Milk. Milk.
You want milk?
I milk, Mom. I milk.
You want milk? Cereal so you can drink the milk.
I milk.
Finish your cereal so you can drink the milk. Huh?
I want milk.
You want milk?
I want milk.
You want milk? Are you wearing Halloween?
Yeah, it's skeleton.
Skeleton? Spider-Man!
I see color.
Hello! Fly like a Spider-Man, fly! Oh! Oh! Ooh! That is a hook!
I don't know.
Si Arlo. Ang laki-laki kasi niyan, boy! Kasi yun kay ate. Si Ayla, nakasandal na naman. Oh. Paborito niya. Truck. Go fly. Fly like a Spider-Man.
This is hook.
Fly yan siya. Good job, guys. May wings pa yan si Ayla. Sus, batang buyag-buyag. Hello. Ninit ko yung sinigang, guys. Nagluto si Miss ng sinigang kahapon, kagabi. And ito yung lunch natin ngayon. Okay na to. Init na to. Aso-aso na. Kain natin kami lunch. Late na do. Tapos, ang early natin nagdi-dinner. Chicken yung dinner namin mamaya. Chicken. Ay, kainit.
Wait,
May batang tapos na kumain. O, tas nakaupo na naman dito. Kain na naman siya. Rice daw. O, tayo mo na. Hanganga na, miss. Hanganga na si Spider-Man.
Wait! Spider-Man eating rice!
Okay, right. Oh, mommy. This one? Do you want this one? Right
Ay,
here.
ganahan siya gikan straight sa... Ay, sus.
Hala, may pagka-arty, boy. Gusto mo galing sa rice cooker talaga? You want this rice from here, the rice cooker. Sige. Ready, steady. Yummy,
Rice?
boy? Init na kayo, no? Aso-aso. Oh, good drinking!
Wala ko na-feel kay ano man, ang isago sa rice. Siguro.
Kala ko makakatulog na siya mamaya. Kanina eh. Nakaupo dun. Steady lang ba? Hindi ko na ito pinagnanap. Kahapon din, hindi din siya nagnap. Kaya lang, sobrang tagal kasi namin nagigising. Kahapon nagising kami, or bumangon. Ako, 11 na. So, nagising yung mga bata, 11. Ngayon, mga ganun din siguro. Close to 11 din. So, hindi na yan siya magnanap. Dito pwede kay Arlo ang sinigang kasi maasim and maanghang. Inang ka nga ni Miss.
Not for you, boy. Ganahan din siya ginani.
Ano?
Parang
Tapos na yung kumain, busog na yan. Ang dami na niyang kinain. Sus, malapit na maubos yung... Malapit na maubos yung strawberry na inano natin, binili natin. 2 packs kaya yun. Asim. Tapos mag-ano ako. Ubusin ko yung mango chunks. Mango shake na naman ako mamaya. Mag-mango shake ako kagabi, hindi ako nag-vlog hapon. Yan na natin yung ubusin natin yung... Sobrang lambot ng meat. Sarap. So yung ingredients niya hindi kompleto pero okay na okay. Kasi hindi ako nagsisinigang kasi ang dami ingredients. Ito walang kangkong, bok choy lang. Kuha pa din yung asim, tas gusto ko din yung maanghang-anghang. Kaya lang pag wala na si Miss, ako na lang mag-isa. Ako na lang mag-isa kakain ng sinigang. So mas lalong hindi talaga ako nagsisinigang eh. Nasasayangan ako, sobrang daming sayang. Pag ako lang. I'm back here upstairs, guys. I will start unpacking. Well, nag-start na ako. Ilang araw na. I will finish it today kasi clothes na lang yung natira. Nandito yung 2 luggage namin. Puno ng mga clothes na kailangan kong i-put away. Kahapon hindi ko kinaya. Bigat-bigat ng tiyan ko. Ang sikip-sikip. So, I was trying not to like masyadong nakatayo. So, na-try ko na mag-rest as much as I can yesterday. So, hindi ko siya na galaw masyado yesterday yung luggage. Pero nakuha ko na yung mga hindi damit. Yun lang, yung mga hair care products, yeah. So, na-put away ko na yung iba, pero yung damit hindi pa. Kasi inisip ko din, gusto ko siyang isahin na. Kasi meron din akong laundry na ginawa nung pagdating natin, diba? So, gusto ko na din i-put away yun. Para ma-put away ko na lahat at once. So, let's start 1 packing cube at a time. Si Ayla din, yung mga undies niya, nandito kasi. And sabi niya, Mami, I'm running out of undies. Wala na siyang undies na nandito sa cabinet niya kasi nga nandito pa sa packing cube yung iba. And alam niyo ba, yung plano ko sana gawin is iwan doon yung mga maliliit na hindi na magkakasya kay Arlo kapag summer na dito. Hindi ko yung nagawa, guys. Ang dami kong hindi nagawa sa Pinas. Iba kasi talaga kapag buntis ka, nasa Pinas, kasi nakakapagod. Nakakapagod, hindi siya ganun kadali. And update sa luggage. So, di ba nawala yung luggage ko? Hindi naman nawala. Na-delay yung luggage ko. Meron kasi akong insurance. So, every time nagta-travel kami, we make sure na meron kami insurance. First time ko mag-claim. Hindi ko pa na-receive yung response nila. Kakasubmit ko lang ng claim today actually. I started doing it nung pagdating namin. Nag-start ako ng claim, kaya lang kailangan ko kasi mag-upload ng documents to prove na yun nga nawala. Tapos in-upload ko din yung receipt doon ng mga binili ko on the day ng pagdating namin. Binili ko yung mga kailangan namin, like yung mga essentials na again nasa luggage ko, hindi ko magamit kasi na-delay nga yung dating ng luggage ko. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung makukuha ko. Sinabit ko siya kanina, and sabi nila it takes 10 business days. Yeah, first time kong mag-submit ng claim. Sa dami-dami na naming travels and trips, first time ko mag-submit ng claim. Sinabi lang sa akin ni Miss, pwede mo yan i-claim sa insurance mo. Kasi yung sa isip ko kasi, kumuha kami ng insurance, more on medical talaga. Kasi pag may nangyari sa amin overseas, just in case, at least, we don't have to worry about the expenses medical-wise. Yeah, I'll let you know kung magkano. Kasi, yeah, first time kong mag-claim ever. Pero alam nyo ba kapag nawala yung luggage nyo, sa insurance na kinuha ko ha, pag nawala yung luggage, pwede ka makaklaim up to, pag nawala talaga ha, up to 15,000. Pwede. Up to yan ha. So, hindi, again, depende sa kung ilan yung magkano yung i-approve na claim mo kapag nawala yung luggage. Let's put all these away. Oh, ano na naman to? Unpacking and decluttering at the same time. Ito ang ganda nito, kaya lang maliit na to kay Arlo pagdating na ng summer. Tapos pangit yung laundry dun. Kasi ang dami pa, oh. Ito, nilaundry to. Parang nilalagay lang nila quickly. Kasi ayan, oh, yung mga wet spots. Or mga parang, I don't know what's, hindi naman siya, stain siya. Hindi natatanggal. Buti hindi ko pinalaundry yung mga puti ko. Kasi sabi nila, ano daw, nag-iba yung kulay. So, hindi ko yun sinali yung mga puti. Happy lang sila dyan, guys, habang nagpuput away ako ng mga damit nila. Nagdodrawing si Ayla habang si Arlo naglalaro. Cute-cute nilang dalawa.
Like this.
Na ako guys sa taas. Kasi natapos ko lahat talaga. Naput away ko lahat. Wala nang luggage doon. Oh good. Pati yung mga na-laundry ko. Okay na din lahat. So at least, maliwalas ang bahay before maglinis si Kuya bukas. Kaya si Kuya ng paglilinis bukas. Meron tayong chicken. Yung plano ko lang sana is chicken parmesan. Kaya lang, mag-aadobo siguro kami ni Miss Chicken adobo. Hugasan ko muna to. Naka-ready na yung pang-ano dito. Pang-boil for chicken parmesan. Love that. Hugasan ko lang to. Kasi idediretso ko na dun. Ay, sorry. Kasi ang daming chicken. 2 kilos. Tapos hindi ko to maisa sa air fryer. After ko kasi siyang i-boil, lalagay ko siya sa air fryer. Tapos, pagluto na siya, saka ko lalagay ng sauce ng parmesan sauce. Maka siya sa dishwasher, air fryer lahat. So, i-ano natin yung iba. I-adobo natin yung iba. Where are we gonna put the adobos? Maliit lang siguro yung pang-adobo, konti lang. Kami lang kakain ni Missy. Tapos may leftover pang sinigang. Gusto niya ipasave yung sinigang, konti. Okay na ito. Hugasan ko lang. Tanggalin ang mga dapat tanggalin. Ay, huwag kang matulog, boy. Don't sleep, Arlo. My goodness. Too late na. Hey, no hitting. Ayan na guys, starting to cook our adobo. Nilagay ko yung garlic, tapos yung chicken, and I added kamatis as well. Hindi ko na siguro yan lalagyan ng mamaya, vinegar. Yan na yung kamatis. Ang paasim konti. Maya lang lagyan ko na yan ng soy sauce and tubig. Naka-ready na din ng aking tata. And yan. Tagal ko na hindi nakaluto ng chicken adobo. Sobrang tagal na. Ito na yung ating chicken adobo, guys. Pinapareduce ko lang siya. Ayan, niluluto ang potatoes. My family is already eating.
Good.
Yummy, princess. You're sitting next to Dada, like a big girl. Yummy, boy.
He's eating it wrong.
Mate, on the side. Eat it on the side. You don't eat the bones.
No.
My Spider-Man. Spider-Man. No, not the bone. The side. Eat the side.
Oh, it is.
No.
Oh.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. See, Daddy showing you. Look at Daddy.
Bones here.
There.
Eating the bones.
Ala, why are you eating the bones? Eat the side, Buboy. No? That's a bone, mate. Side. Oh, nakawala niya ang kuan. Parmesan. Can mommy help? Yeah, mommy help you? Here. Here? No? Okay. No, there's a lot more here, mate. I'll help, okay? Here, see? Chicken, yummy.
This one.
Yummy chicken.
No, this one.
Hot,
I
hot.
love you chicken, mommy.
Aww, thank you, baby.
It tastes like a lollipop here.
Tastes like a lollipop.
Yeah.
Aww. Good job, baby. Here,
It's
Alo.
like a lollipop.
That's it. Here, mate. Here. Here you go. I got the bones out.
And I think like a lollipop.
Yay! Good job, princess.
I think like a lollipop, Daddy.
Good job.
Look, Alo. See on the side, mate. Eat this. Alo. This one. Go eat that.
Have a good one.
Hey, Alo. Do you want my help? This one? See? See, I told you. It's yummy. You're eating the meat. Can I help you with this one? Mommy help with this one? Okay, thank you. See? Mommy helping. Yummy. Blow. Yep. Hey! You beat mommy! Sige, Billy. You beat me, princess. Good job, Ate. Ate's doing really well.
I'm making like a lollipop.
Alright, finish it, boy. That's all we have. Good job, Ate. Good job, Ate. Well done, princess.
I'm more chicken.
You want more chicken? What? You finish it first. I'll finish it. It's chicken. That's chicken.
Yucky.
It's not yucky. You're eating it. Finish your chicken. Ito yung ating adobong nagmamantika na, guys.
I hope I know that.
Ano? Sarsa. Kain. Masaya na sila. Naglalaro na sila dun sa likod. Ang cute-cute nila. Busog pa actually ako.
Spider boy. Me, you fight.
Lagyan ko ito ng kamatis. Pero hindi mo na makikita yung kamatis. Pampaasim lang daw. Yan. Pero hindi ko na nilagyan ng vinegar. Kasi diba kapag adobo may vinegar. Masarap sana ito kung maitlog ng pugo. Pero dapat pugo para maliit.
Tell me, Spider boy.
Let's eat,
She's attacking
guys.
me. It's Chubba Mommy attacking me. And then we too. Oh, where's my kiss?
Babe, do you want,
Apple.
Okay.
Where's your purse? I've got money for you. Put in your purse. It was up there yesterday, before. Where did you put it? You broke your purse? I break it first.
You put it in the bin? Really? Okay. Do you want mango shake? I can make you one.
It's alright, soft drink.
Sige, open na soft drink. Ay, naku, ito na naman. Ako. So, dapat ubusin natin to kasi bukas walang kakain yan.
Sure, oy.
We will eat out.
yeah.
Yeah, in the lunch and then dinner.
And dinner.
Yeah.
Sabi na tayo.
Kaya nga.
Let's just
Drinks? Yes, please. Yeah.
Thank you, my love. Thank you, my love.
Yeah, what's up? You wanna pee? Yeah, that's what it is.
I'm so happy.
It's so heavy, Arlo. You okay, Ayla?
Yeah.
Oh, Arlo's gonna help. Oh, so heavy.
I found my pink pussy.
Yay! Tulungan daw nila ako magpalit ng sheets.
I got my dinosaur.
Yay!
My dinosaur.
Alright, take off the sheets. Take off the sheet. You guys helping or what?
I like helping.
Ayla's helping.
Mom, how do you do this?
We need to lift it. Maybe we should ask Daddy. Ask Daddy, go. Say, Daddy, help Mommy.
Ah, what am I doing? I'm doing it. Yes, Mama.
Do what?
It's easy.
Hey!
Careful, dog. No.
Uy! Uy, careful, careful, please.
Yeah, I'm princess. I'll do it to Arlo. Do what?
Careful, Ayla. Ha?
Well,
Don't
that-
hit Arlo. Be gentle, guys.
Shut your eyes. Okay, give me one, baby. He's in my way. He's my way. No more, no more. No
He's
more.
closing his eyes.
No more. No more. Look at Mummy, look at Mummy.
Blind hit, mate. Blind hit.
I would never do it to my prince, but he might. I've got the camera on.
It's so fun, ready? It's so fun. Okay. Boom. To you. Boom. Mommy's being gentle. Daddy does it harder. I want to do it to my baby gentle. Ready, steady?
Oh, where's Mum? Okay, now you get out of it.
Yeah. Careful, Ayla.
Get him out of
No.
No!
Alright, that's Daddy's pillow.
This is Ali's pillow.
It's a middle pillow. Oh, fresh sheets. I love it.
Ali's pillow.
Oh my gosh, Daddy Chaka. It's yours, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Careful, Ali, that's a bad
Ah, yeah. the toys away because Kuya Jay is cleaning tomorrow.